What? A race car out of PVC? Wow! Hey there, crafty amigos and amigas. It's that time again. We've got our top 12 projects from February, so let's dive right in and check them out. What do we got for project number 1? Look at this thing. What is this? We got some wheels, a little cart, a little big cart. This wouldn't be for something heavy, but big. So light and big, light and big. Pool inflatable storage. Oh, all right, cool. So you put your pool inflatables in there. You can easily drag them out from maybe the side of the house, throw them into the pool. When you're done, throw them back in here, drag them back to the side of the house, and boom, you don't even have to deflate them. I like that. Let's go ahead and move on to project number 2. Looks like a bookshelf. It's nice. That's a really nice design. Clean, modern, almost looks like a goalpost right here for football. They call it a Harding bookcase. I wonder if that means something. I don't know. Great job, guys. All right, let's move on to project number 3. It's a cart. I like carts. Carts with wheels. You see these right here? That extra support for the wheels. Sometimes people will just stick the wheels right here on the edge. You run into something, knock that wheel off, you're going to break your design and have to replace the whole thing. Whereas with a wheel with its own little mounting block, if you break that block, you just replace the block. No big deal. They're calling this a pizza cart. You can do anything with it though. I like the reverse direction here of the slats. You've got, verticals and horizontals. Let's go ahead and move on to project number 4. Ooh, that's a nice design. PVC Dolly. I like this. We've got some nice cross beam structural support there for forward and backwards on this back bar. Maybe put a piece of plywood down there so you have a nice flat base. It's a good design. Lots of reinforcement going on here, so I like that, and I like the use of the wheels. That's going to be our PVC to metal wheel axle there. We've got a video. I'll go ahead and post that in the comments below. Learn how to build one of those. Let's move on to project number 5. Bookshelf, bookcase, whatever. This is a fun design. I like the negative space cutaways here. This is fancy. God, this is almost retro. This belongs in like a 1970s house. The big white glowy bulbs right above it. Yeah, great job. Moving on to project number 6. This is a crib. That's a nice crib. Clean. I like the slats. Very standard design. Solid construction. You've got your 4 holding posts, everything mounts into those. You've got this solid board in the back. Nice 2x3s is your in-between pieces with some flat wood panel there in the center. This is a very good design. Your baby's going to be real comfortable in this. Project number 7. What do we got? Ooh, a nice table. 2-legged table. Good supports. We got 4x4s there. That's going to be plenty strong enough. You've got those feet here with the feet that stick out a little further in the front to support that leverage. If you're going to have something mounted back here, it's going to want to lean forward, so you got to get that extra support. It looks like we got some nice structure down here. More buttresses. I love buttresses. I like the design, form, and function. This is wonderful. Make for a great computer desk, honestly. What do we call it? Oh, we're calling it an altar table. Cool. Altar table it is. We're on to project number 8. Let's check it out. Okay, we got ourselves a greenhouse. Yes, sir. PVC greenhouse. Look at this PVC door. I love that. Cover this with some clear plastic. Keep the elements out, but still let that sun in. It's a simple design. The structure will stay. During days when it's, just sunny, you can pull that plastic completely off and let the plants inside get the fresh air, all that breeze, that direct sun. And then, for those winter months, put that plastic on top, cover it up, and you're good to go. Very, very good design. Project number 9. Ooh, look at this. It's a basket. Oh, it's a window box. Window box. Look at that. We've got these little mounting points here. You're going to have to make sure you glue that PVC. We have video on that. Check out that in the description below. So you got to glue those PVCs so that actually holds. But yeah, that'll go over maybe a window seal and have a little planter box sticking out. Probably going to want to line this with something just so things don't fall through. Or for something big, maybe a boom box sitting on the outside of a window facing towards your pool. Use that with your pool inflatable storage. You mount this on the side of your car. Put your little puppy in there. Let him ride shotgun like a little side cart. Don't do that. That's a bad idea. All right, so let's move on to project number 10. Project 10 here. What do we got? Let's go ahead and zoom out. Whoa! Okay. See, it's called Shop from Scratch. So it looks like they've got their hot and cold water plumbing going on back here. Oh wow, they've got some gas pipe, DWV pipe right here. This is the vent portion of drain, waste, and vent in that DWV. So we've got that going out to a vent pipe up there. Looks like we've got some stuff going on under. Oh wow, holy cow. Okay, they've got a whole system going on. Looks like we've got a toilet here to a drain pipe, maybe a shower tub here. This is a hot water heater. I can't see through the wall. Here, let's go ahead and turn this wall off. Now we're on the inside. Got a toilet. We've got, it looks like washer and dryer with all the plumbing and everything you'd need. It looks like we got some vent fans going on here, venting out to the outside. Wow, and our front door here. This took some time and quite a bit of work. So kudos to you. This is amazing. This should go to show you. If you have a whole room design or remodel, whatever, hop in CraftyAmigo.com, start building out your layout, just start putting things in there. See where you want that toilet, see where you want that shower. Run plumbing this way. Get all of your features figured out here in this beautiful 3D environment we have going for you guys before ever starting construction. This way you know what you're doing. At the end, you'll have an entire parts list you can print out and bring that to the hardware store or go ahead and order it through us. Very well done. I'm speechless. I am incredibly speechless. This is what I love to see. That means it's time for project number 11. What do we got here? Another table. Another altar table. I wonder if this was the same guy or gal. Our crafty amigos and amigas out there making cool stuff. Oh, I like this design. I don't know what it is. It almost feels gothic. The structure here is really cool. It's all centered. Nice solid tabletop. You've got these foot pads to lift it up, which give it a little bit of a design aspect, but also the floor gets a little wet. It's not going to ruin your main structure. Extra 2x4 supports here across so that, you know, the tabletop doesn't bear all the brunt of the weight. I kind of want one of these. I don't even have anywhere to put it. I just like the way it looks. Maybe I'll build one. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Didn't quite top the last project in my opinion, but let's see what they have for us for that 12th project, huh? Project number 12. Whoa! What? How? What? How do you even do this? What is going on here? Oh my goodness. I'm speechless. Absolutely speechless. So it turns out you can model vehicles in our software. That's amazing. I don't think you could build this in real life. At least not the way this is designed. Well, no, let me take that back. So we're using PVC, but you could swap out the PVC for metal pipe and you can weld this all together. So in which case, fantastic. You're still getting your build of materials. Yeah, whoever built this knew what they were doing. Oh my God, and the caps here for the taillights. What? Oh, this is so creative. Oh, this is great. I love the wing back here. Man, the gas pedal, brake pedal, steering wheel. What are we using as wheels? What is this? What material is that? Hold up. I gotta see this. Parts list. Go on, give me a parts list. We're using 8-inch HVAC galvanized steel as the wheels. This is so clever. Oh man. This made my month. This is amazing. I can't get over it. This is so good. Whew. Well, there you have it, my fellow crafty amigos and amigas. The top 12 projects of February. We started off with some basics, some shelves and tables, but man, we ended with a race car. Who saw that coming? I'll be excited to see what you guys do in March. Looking forward to that next review, and be safe, be kind, and be crafty.